Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing a cute little science project. Today you'll need 4 cups, 2, 4, and you'll need like your science book to write down your observations. You also need like 2 sodas and 2 juices, 4 eggs, and toothpaste. I know that sounds kind of weird, but and lemon juice. So we're kind of going off like a weird thing to like talk about kind of like a weird way of how soda works and like juices work with brushing your teeth. That's like the realm of the science project. So let's open one of these up, and then we're gonna like fill it halfway, each one. So what do you think the observations of like, what do you think like the eggs after, so it's gonna be 12 hours. So after 12 hours, what do you think it's gonna be like? Also, if you don't have juices, you you can use something that could be like potentially bad for the teeth or something along those lines. So what do we think it's going to happen with the like teeth, or how the brushing of it works? Also, if you don't think there's like enough in the cup for the egg to like splat in there and last for 12 hours, you can add more if needed, in your personal opinion. So you're gonna take 2 eggs and plop them in soda. Oh, you have to label them as well. My bad, I forgot. You're gonna label, then you're gonna label soda 1, soda 2, and then juice 1 and juice 2. I had Alani, which is like an energy drink, and my juices, and then I had creamer, and my other one just because that's what I had laying around the house, and then I had a Dr. Pepper and a root beer, and I just placed them in just to help. So you're gonna lay 1 egg without toothpaste in 1, and soda 2, and you're gonna lay 1 egg in juice 2 without toothpaste. So those are currently done. So, and then you're gonna come back in 12 hours. So write those observations once you're done with this like whole observation, because what do we think is gonna happen? I mean, I have an idea. Well, this one's cracked, that's not good. But it is what it is. So you're gonna take toothpaste in your hand. Oh, that's cold. And then you're gonna rub it all around the egg, and get it all around, making sure there's kind of like, you can't see any more egg in there, kind of like you can't really see any more white, kind of plastered all like that. I know it's gonna be a little difficult since it's like a little meshy, I guess you could say. Hours. Then you're gonna drop it in 1. Now since we have, and then you're gonna do the same thing. So you're gonna take for the egg, get more toothpaste on it, do it so for number like 2. Soda 1 or soda 2, or like juice 1 or juice 2. And then sticky, like toothpaste and like the condensation and everything. It's cool. You're gonna wash it off, and then tap it on. How, you're wanting to also do that for all 4 eggs. You just don't realize until so let's do that for soda 1 and soda 2. Okay. So once you're done putting both of those in, go wash your hands real quick. Also do this in like your kitchen or like your bathroom. And then dry them off. Because it can get really messy. What do you think it turned out to be? Like between like your sodas and like your juicers or whatever like you picked out. Do you think it turned out to like stained or anything? Oh, I know mine don't look too good right now.
Okay.
So then you just want
once
to
you're
like
done with
wash
that
them
part and placing everything in,
which
is
is like
totally
tap
great
it.
and everything.
We have, so like I said, we're gonna have our lemon juice, right?
So
We're
I
so
forgot this one. So you're gonna take a
your
okay.
dump about
What do you think we were trying to figure out? Like, what do
that
you
much in?
think the toothpaste was doing?
a little about
So-
into each one.
In on something.
What
So-
do you think the lemon juice does
Okay.
to
So,
the You're gonna dump it in all four. What do you
like the
think the lemon
eggshells
juice
from
does
like the
to like the project,
experiment
to the
was like
eggs,
representing like
to
the outside, right?
what's going on
was
with
representing
like the
your
sodas
teeth
to the
like,
juices? What do we think is gonna happen?
show
What
like
do you
the
think
coating,
after 12 hours?
the white.
What do you think is gonna work with the system?
And the reason why
And then after 12
it had to
hours,
sit for
we're gonna
12
come back
hours
and
like
see what's
different
gonna go
types
on
of
with the four.
material.
So
or
I'll see you back, guys, back in 12 hours.
Sodiums. Like I had 2 different types of soda, and I had a creamer, and I had like an energy drink. All of those are different type of carbonations. But then we put 2 toothpastes, right? So my juice 1 and my juice 2, or my soda. So both of these super duper, like you can tell, super duper clean, like nothing's on it, right? Like, which meaning the toothpaste worked, cause like nothing's on it, like meaning brushing your teeth helps. But if you looked at this one, like this was from soda number 2, you can't really tell on this one, but like you can still tell after sitting for 12 hours that there was still like some residue on it, and that was in like my creamer. This was left in soda number 2. I think this was root beer. So you can tell that like you can tell toothpaste helps protect the teeth. So brushing daily and maybe less carbonation will help protect the teeth. And just by this like simple science like experiment with like tiny like sodas and everything and eggs just for like 12 hours, it shows what it can do to your teeth if it doesn't work out. But yeah.
So I'll also tell you where the lemon juice comes in. It breaks down like the shell to like have to like for like the acid part, because so this is soda number 1, so it's still into the toothpaste, did its job, but the acid was still breaking it down. See, putting like it's breaking down the eggs, because the tooth is worn down a cavity to be